My name is Vaishnav. I am studying 8th class in Yampe School, Lady Galapallam, Kalyan, Chenagani.
Opposites. Now.
Then,
With.
without,
Run.
walk,
Sister.
brother,
Some.
more,
Genuine.
bogus,
Warm.
cool,
Humid.
arid,
High altitude.
low altitude,
Rare.
flaunt,
Offered.
refuse,
Certain.
uncertain,
Privacy.
publicity,
Asked.
answered,
Paradise.
hell,
Heralded. Retracted.
attracted,
Retracted.
retracted,
Heralded.
retracted,
Arrival.
departure,
Several.
few,
Yesterday.
today,
Below.
above,
Evening.
morning,
Screaming.
whisper,
Implications.
bless,
Aggressive.
meek,
Away.
near,
Move.
stagnant,
Rapidly.
slowly,
That.
this,
There.
here,
No.
get, yes,
Get.
last,
Little.
big,
Use.
misuse,
Split.
hang,
Brilliant.
dull,
Brightly.
darkly,
Absolutely.
partially,
Noticed.
unnoticed,
Necessarily.
unnecessarily,